If you're there now and you get everybody
red light run.
They are
water repellent or waterproof material or coating.
Red light run.
Now there's, even though I should be using it on the trail more often because it's really perfect for it, I don't like the idea of not having it anymore. I'm going to be really irritated myself if I snag it on a branch and rip it or something like that. Really what I use is an LL Bean.
So I fucking blew past it and went up to 90, and then I got stuck on 90.
It's red.
Tree line if it's windy or raining. Other than that, I don't use it. I don't want to because
No stop.
It does make me sweat.
The most impressive rate of speed into the wall.
Whoa, what the fuck was that up there?
as far as Ohio State, Michigan, let's wait till we get right to the game before we talk.
That was red. Really? Red light runs. Nope.
Just get away from it. Don't start everyday doom scrolling. It's just not good for you. It's not. It's unhealthy.
Wait, what the fuck?
But also, just,
really?
Just first of all, it.
Up and start hiking. Today I started out wearing base layers on top and bottom, water-resistant hiking pants.
No stop.
Techwick
Nissan drivers.
Hat and
You're lucky I saw you.
He'll say it's cool if he's in a car, but he'll say it's not cool if he's walking.
Yeah.
I'm Ubering everywhere. Okay, east side of Vancouver. Yeah. Okay.
No stop.
Is the
Nissan drivers.
Imagine trying to talk to a girl.
Oh, shit. Get out of the way. Dumb deer.
Yeah.
Culture, bold innovations, and contrarian instincts, it soon became a contender. But in the 1930s, their success seemed unlikely. Back then, most cars in Japan were made by Ford and General
What the
Motors.
fuck are you doing?
Japan's annual production of cars.
You suck. Oh my god. I have no clue what you're doing. Good. Stay over there. I don't want to be behind your slow ass any longer.
Rivaled the best Western manufacturers, and Keiichiro believed the same Japanese ingenuity that built his father's empire could also spawn a world-class automaker. So in 1933,
really,
the 40-year-old engineer formed an automotive division within the family business. In 1937, that division became Toyota, and
what
began
the hell?
A network of
Move
Japanese
over.
suppliers with the goal.
What the fuck's wrong with people?
At the expense of my family, and
I am all about redemption, and I'm also all about not getting bit twice.
No,
and
stop.
Redemption in this.
You got a no turn on red over there.
They're another great option. I know a lot of people now, like you guys said, talking about the Summit.
No turn on red.
Black Diamond and Marmot, some other companies make some really heavy duty.
No stop up there.
I like to stick with the glove liners and just a Gore-Tex overmitt for the most part.
Red light run.
But even in the summertime though, I've got some
2 of them.
Fucking egg-headed cunts with the goddamn analytics.
I'm gonna take. It's a one-way here.
I'm gonna take
Nissan driver. Really, it's a one-way.
Seems somewhat threatening. It was nice to sort of have something like it was basically a security blanket. It wasn't really doing anything
Exit
good.
dive.
It was a nice piece.
this analytics. 300
Go,
grand
Wheelie,
vacation.
go!
Don't
Woo!
Cocksucking motherfucker, dude. It was literally like, I mean, you could have taught a hot yoga class in this fucking
No stop.
place, and then I'm laying there on top.
Box is to raise interest rates. They raise the interest rate they raise.
How
is
the
the
fuck are
rate
you
that
supposed to
banks borrow
see?
money at overnight. So they raise the overnight
So he'll
rate
turd.
of borrowing. When they do that, the rate that consumers they think you will buy it for, and they are hiding behind inflation to push prices up to see where the
Really? Toyo turd?
going on. This was a battleground. There's a certain muscle.
You got your own lane. You don't have to stop, dude.
Why is the seat sticky from here to all?
Went corkscrewing across her forehead. She had powdered it
Oh, dear.
heavily, and the powder called attention.
Don't run out into the street. Don't run out into the street. Don't run into the street. Please don't run into the street. Please, yeah, good. Run in that direction. Good job.
They have abdicated and left him to Mrs. Greta Shaw, to nannies, to a tutor in the summer, and the Piper School,
No
which
stop.
is private and
Nissan
nice
drivers.
and most of
Alright, this dude over here is lucky that there's no one parked behind me, because I would have had to lay on the horn until his dumbass moved. Although I'll give him partial credit for not parking in the loading zone. But that's all he gets. This is sketchy. I hate Ithaca. And also, while we're on the subject of loading zones, don't ever park in them unless you're making a huge ass delivery to someplace. Make my job easier, please. Don't block it or don't park in them. Impedumpstry, yeah. Ithaca.
We rest every afternoon at this time. 15 minutes. You want to sleep? No. The boy looked at him with shame.
Wait,
What
are you doing?
In an abstracted...
What are you doing? Yeah, now we gotta miss the light because of your dumbass. Thanks a lot.
chiffon fripperies of the name receiving hall to which the boy had only lately been granted access, as a sign of his apprenticeship. Stephen Deschain was dressed in black jeans and a blue work shirt. His cloak, dusty streaked, torn to the
You
lines
turning
of
in there? Or
was slung carelessly
what the frick's going on here? I'm gonna look at that.